This supplement can regenerate your joints. Anyone suffering from arthritis, osteoarthritis, herniated disc, creaking knees, if you are 40 years old, 80 years old, pay close attention to this video because in it I will show you how to stimulate your body to produce new cartilage. These joint inflammations happen most of the time due to wear and tear in the joints. It's the well-known joint pain. Some people joke these are the pain here, pain there years, pain here, pain there. But it's possible to reverse this by producing new cartilage through 3 essential supplements. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your joints, get rid of pain, and gain much more mobility and freedom. This information deserves your like, deserves your thumbs up. Your like, my friends, helps this video reach more people. Also, don't forget to share it with all your contacts and all your groups and of course on your social media. And tell me, do you feel any pain in any joint? Where? In the knee, in the spine, in the fingers, carpal tunnel? Tell me in the comments below. My friends, don't forget to visit my website. On my website, you'll find all the supplements I use and recommend. You all keep asking me, Dr. Moacir Rosa, which omega-3 is best, the right vitamin D dose, and the best magnesium. It's all there on my website, my other social media, and my courses are there too. And very soon, my friends, exclusive health apps for my followers. Want to find me? Want to find my website? Just type Dr. Moacir Rosa in Google and you'll find me, or just click there. Point your phone at the QR code and it will redirect you to my website. It's also in the video description. Only those who feel joint pain know how disabling it can be. It's not only the pain that's an issue. Depending on the case, movement can be impaired, difficulty walking for those who have knee problems, trouble finding a comfortable position to sit for those who suffer from back issues, and even impaired hand movements in people who suffer from rheumatoid arthritis. And the treatment is always the same. Anti-inflammatories that wreck your stomach, or worse, corticosteroids that undermine your health. Now, joint problems are, in most cases, due to inflammation. Each joint in the body has a cushion that prevents bone from rubbing against bone. This cushioning is cartilage. Over time, due to genetic factors, this collagen starts to decrease. And that's when the wear and tear begins, causing inflammation and pain. But today we know that it's possible to regenerate this cartilage. First, with a substance known as type 2 collagen. It's not the regular hydrolyzed collagen that women buy at the pharmacy to have firmer, younger-looking skin. No, it's undenatured type 2 collagen. It is part of the cartilage structure and is essential for its renewal. Take a look at this study that demonstrated the use of type 2 collagen in patients with osteoarthritis. It reduced pain and stiffness and increased mobility. Now, this other study published in Science evaluated patients with rheumatoid arthritis. Collagen not only improved the structure of the cartilage, but also acted as an antidote, reducing the autoimmune attack of the disease. Rheumatoid arthritis is an autoimmune disease, so the body itself starts attacking the joints, and this study showed a reduction in this autoimmune attack. Of the 60 patients evaluated, all of them showed improvement. And impressively, in 4 patients, the disease simply disappeared. But attention, important. Always use undenatured type 2 collagen. At the end of the video, I'll show you which one is the right one. Second supplement, chondroitin. Chondroitin is also a natural component of cartilage. It promotes hydration, water absorption, which increases the elasticity and compression capacity of the ligament. This greatly reduces friction and helps absorb impact. Take a look at this study that was published in the British Medical Journal. It shows how the use of chondroitin stabilized cartilage in patients with osteoarthritis after just 6 months of treatment. Third, MSM. MSM is a natural source of sulfur, which is essential for the formation of collagen, elastin, keratin, and of course cartilage. It contributes to the stability of collagen and the elasticity of connective tissue. This study used MSM in patients with knee pain. In just 12 weeks, there was a significant reduction in pain. Of course, these elements don't work overnight. It's not like a painkiller. It has a long-term effect. It will take you a few weeks to feel the improvement. In Brazil, there is already a supplement that has these three elements together. It's called ArthroPlus. Search on Google and you'll find it. I'll ask the staff to put the QR code here to make it easier for you. And it's also on my list of supplements. Of course, I'm already over 50. I have to use it, right? I have to prepare myself. I have to protect my joints. People who have joint pain also benefit a lot from turmeric. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory as powerful as NSAIDs, which are non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. Esclofenac mesonide. Ibuprofen. And it doesn't have the side effects of those medications. So it's a very interesting alternative for those who suffer from chronic inflammation. But it's important to note that turmeric needs to be ultra concentrated. It needs to be 95% curcuminoids to have this anti-inflammatory effect. For comparison, turmeric root and turmeric powder only have 15% curcuminoids. So it needs to be in the concentrated form. And it has low absorption. To enhance this absorption, to increase it up to 200 times, it needs to be in the liposomal form, okay? Always use turmeric in the liposomal form. Omega-3 rich in EPA is also an important inflammatory modulator. Omega-3 enters the arachidonic acid cascade, working as an anti-inflammatory. Vitamin D is also an important inflammatory modulator. It's relevant, and we need to keep our vitamin D always above 16 DL for it to have this inflammatory modulation effect. Always use vitamin D together with K2, okay? This is very important. And of course, the indispensable magnesium, which is involved in more than 300 reactions in the body, and it's no different in this case. Magnesium, besides being a natural painkiller and a natural anti-inflammatory, also helps calcium to be fixed in the bones, greatly improving our ability to reduce pain, reduce inflammation, and improve the structure of our joints. My friends, my website, Don't forget to visit my website. On my website, you can find all the supplements I use and recommend. My courses are there, and my other social media as well. Just type Dr. Moacir Rosa on Google and you'll find me. Don't forget to send this video to everyone you know who suffers from arthritis, osteoarthritis, or knee pain. Is your knee already cracking or creaking? Send it to them too. Don't forget to share this content with other people. My friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was useful for you, and I'll see you in next time, okay?